Get away from there, Mellow. Come on. Come here. Don't go there. It's not good. Come on. Come here. Come here. No, not that way. Come this way. There you go. Good girl. Oh. Hey. That's not a good place to hang out. Come on. Come back. Oh. No, 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 no. Get out of there. Come on. Step. Hey. Hey. Don't be stubborn. Come on. Come here. Come here. Step. It's kind of funny, but it's not funny. Come on, Mellow. Get away from there. Hey. Come on. Oh, she looks pretty comfortable there. But we all know it's not safe. So, come on. I'm going to have to cover this thing. Come on. You don't want me to cover this thing because it's going to get dark in here and you're going to be all scared. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Oh. Come on. Let's go. Oh. Come on. Step. What are you doing? Okay. Here. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Step. Let's go. Come on. Don't be stubborn. How about this way? Step. Oh no, let's not go that way. Yeah. Come on here. Step. Come on. Let's go. What are you doing, huh? Is this like a fireplace? One of those, what do you call it? You know, when you go camping and there everybody sits around the fire. We're gonna barbecue some marshmallow. Not sure why you want to hang out here. So I got Mellow over there, or Wallum. Hey, Wallum. How you doing? Actually, this might be a better idea. Because Mellow gets jealous every time I pay attention to Wallum. So she just might fly over here if I keep talking to Wallum. Hey, Wallum. Wallum is all scared. Hey, Wallum. How you doing? Hi, hi. Hi, Wallum. Hi, hi. Well, it looks like Mellow is yep. Look at her. She's about to come this way. Hey, Wallum. Hi, hi. Hi, Wallum. Hi, hi. Hi, Wallum. Hi, Wallum. Come on. Hey, Wallum. Oh, nope. Never mind. She just doesn't care. She likes being up there. Look at her. Okay, come on, let's go. Step. Come on, don't be stubborn. I'm gonna turn that light off if you don't. I'm gonna turn it off. Come on, let's go. You don't want me to turn it off. Come on. Oh boy. Hey, come on, let's go. I'm gonna turn it off. There, see? Now what? What are you gonna do, huh? There's no more light. I told you I was gonna turn it off. Yeah. No more.